welcome back to As It Dey Hot, and we dey discuss all of the action tori wey we carry come from this week. We still dey collect phone calls, and everybody dey talk am the way the team beat them for body. We dey encourage every Nigerian to participate on top of this ogbonge program, As It Dey Hot. Make una no think say those wey dey lead this country no dey watch. Then they watch, then they hear the language of the ordinary Nigerian people, and then they take the necessary action.
Yeah, Chukwudi, I be state saying, going by the figure of waiting, say would they even look and say based on the smallest amount of money we Nigerians they collect, that is the minimum wage amount will be 18,000 naira. We can calculate and say, okay, 23,000 Nigerians, 23,000 ghost workers. Okay, it will result to how much? 414 million. And just this is not just assumption. No? I want also believe say somehow people with the salaries, the people where they collect this money somehow not be even that. You know even fit day for that same range of 18,000. Some fit day where we say overwhelming, where we say it will even scare us maybe Nigerians. Imagine how much where everything will come be if we uncover how much will they involve, how much that is the salaries will they involved. This now to tell you, say, look, the height of corruption. No, see, it don't even go beyond government. We say somehow, people also they corrupt among themselves. That is why, if they talk about corruption, anybody talks Nigeria is corrupt, Nigeria is corrupt. First, ask yourself, how sincere are you? Because this not show say yes, the people where they collect this money in the first place are obviously Nigerians. Are people will be part of us. Are people will say they will come and say, well, our system is corrupt, we have to do something about it. But somehow someone behind the curtain, they're also corrupt. So how you will get the man to come tell a person and say, you they corrupt? When you yourself, you are corrupt.
Very, very true. This matter is very, very serious because if we check the level of unemployment when they're this country,
I said, offer that 23,000 vacancies, and now I call them to people who no get work. You know what is the kind of solution problem we go solve?
Very, very true. And if one person they collect 20 people's salaries, you see, now these things we they talk about, say, make governments, they make them come down from on top of the horse when they sit down, make them look into all this matter where. How is it possible? Recently, about 2 weeks ago, Niger State government come out, declare their own, and virtually every state for Nigeria get this practice.
Exactly.
Because some people agree, say, now one way when we say people, they use the chop government money. How person when they work?
They collect
salary. Meanwhile, those when they work, then they owe them. We just use the minimum wage of 18,000, calculate about 23,000. That one means say 414 million. Now they come out for
just the list. That the list they take check and so.
We go collect this call from Oga Moses. In they call us all the way from Kano. Oga Moses, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Moses. Moses, good morning. They hear us?
Yes, I hear you.
I right on fire, they hear you.
Yes, I want comment in our program. Now do well.
Thank you
very much.
I beg, may them go arrest all these ghost workers. We don't want to hear anything like ghost workers for Nigeria. Nigeria want change, urgent change. Urgent change. They should arrest them. We don't want any ghost workers again. I beg, we want change.
Thank you very much, Oga Moses.
You just go straight to the point. You won't be say,
thank you very much. And I arrest my guy. I don't know why his leg no they touch ground. Maybe you go help me answer that, I beg.
No worry, he go do it. He go answer the question. Meanwhile, if you check am, this 23,000 ghost workers, because as the doctor can say ghost worker, a person when we say they are not they see, only when they reach to collect salary. And if one person they collect 20 people salaries, it means say that one person now they represent 20 people because now their salaries in they collect. If we check out where the thing go be like say, some people just do this arrangement.
Say among themselves.
Among them,
some godfatherism they play out for government.
We get one caller on top of our phone line, but his name never show. We hope say no be ghost caller.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Abeg, what be your name and where you call from?
And I'm Benjamin from Enugu.
Okay, Benjamin, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
We hear you right on.
They talk, I thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
The people that they talk is very, very interested.
Thank you.
About that 23,000 ghost workers, it's very, very good because some of the youth in Nigeria doesn't have any work. But one person, they collect up to 20 people's salary. Yeah. Now, that thing they somehow. But the issue now is this. They're very, very sure about this 23,000 ghost workers. They're very, very sure, or just the political word.
No, Benjamin, if this one they come from the Minister of Finance
herself.
Now him be say the matter they very, very serious. Even though we go still conduct investigation, but coming from the mouth of the Minister of Finance say, the way when this thing they go, some people just put arrangement down to enrich themselves. Let me say we're supposed to take this matter very, very seriously.
Okay. I love that. So that let them check that thing very, very well. If they take it very, very well, that means the APC people, they are working. Because we need totally change. We need totally change.
Oga Benjamin, thank you very much for this, your important contribution. Yeah. I like one talk when you talk say, if we do this thing, and the thing be like the way when the thing is supposed to be, now be say, APC government, they work. We go like, make we emphasize for here, say, when government do the work when they're supposed to, even if na APC or na PDP, if the thing when they their mind na say, we want make Nigerians get peace of mind, make them know they worry, make them they enjoy, we go cut cap, give them, irrespective of any political party. And they talk about, say, this particular political party, they be evil people, this one, they be good people, make we know they won't talk that one at all. Because if government do what they're supposed to, everybody go enjoy. We get Oga Lawrence in the colors all the way from Ibadan. Oga Lawrence, welcome to Ask the Heart.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Lawrence.
Good morning, Oga Nkobi.
Good morning.
Now this ghost worker, Matana, I want to talk.
You think they pay plenty people?
Right on, they hear you.
Yes, my own view is say, now bad administration for Nigeria, my concern. Because if you check all these our Igbo country, their administration for government is very okay. But our administration for Nigeria now they give us problem. Where people go one day as ghost worker, they collect salary where they no work for. But if our administration feel they okay and they put everything where, I believe say they go eradicate all these ghost workers matter.
Oga Lawrence, thank you very much for this your important contribution. If you check the way when we say people they carry talk come, you go see say let's talk about ghost workers as it take concern unemployment for this country. They pay plenty people. Say people when one work no get work. Those when we say they know they work, they know they show face at all. Then they collect money. Oga Israel, they call us all the way from Port Harcourt. Oga Israel, good morning and welcome to Ask the Heart.
Good morning, Israel. I beg, Oga Israel, if I say you go need to come out from where you did, so would they hear you well, I beg?
I don't come out.
Okay, would they hear you? Right on.
Okay. These ghost workers, what they talk about, they bring enough, sometimes they go bring story like this. Everybody goes there. But are they sure? All this, they keep talk about ghost workers. These ghost workers, be part of, okay, is it part of the corruption our president is facing?
For the Minister of Finance to uncover this thing, systematically, that's still part of the corruption. Will they try do it? Will they try fight? Because
okay,
will they hear
part
you?
of the corruption. But maybe all these things, as they happen, these big men then, now they just youth, people where no get work. They find 100 naira to buy guy in Nigeria where we did. They collect 20 people. For one person, they collect
20 person money.
Money. It's no good now. It's not good.
Oga Israel, thank you very much for this your important contribution. What you don't try talk be say this matter make it not just be like say now talk they just use make Nigerians they look say okay make it be like say that they dribble us. But if we check the factors when they're available on ground now, the thing be like say he get the way when the thing take day. We go collect this call all the way from the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Oga Jude, they call us from that side. Oga Jude, welcome to Ask the Heart.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Jude.
In fact, are they very, very happy say we don't they talk through small. But the fact say we don't they hear say they announce say ghost workers day for this Nigeria, they very happy. And now, waiting me, I want to talk with say, as they even talk say, now 23,000 people, I believe. And I believe say even pass like that. But they never still find out how many day. You understand? Are they happy? And I believe say true ghost workers day. You understand? I just imagine waiting when they talk, say imagine say like they pay 18,000.
The least.
Imagine that kind of money where they come out from government for every month.
414 million.
Imagine that kind of thing. Now people they die of hunger. They look for work, submissive everywhere. Nothing they happen. Even graduates now, you understand? They don't even get hope, say they go get job.
Work at all, yes.
Oga Jude,
Imagine that
thank you
kind
very
thing.
much for this your important contribution. We dey very, very certain say, as government don't identify this one, they go start from here, they do the right thing. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, welcome to our City Hot.
Oh, now, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
This ghost worker story, it really they shock everybody. You know, the thing is say you go see say there are many loopholes in that Nigeria government where need to be filled. You know, say when you want cash rabbit, you get to the check whether and that whole day when you go to escape. Those are the whole when federal government they do. But if you look at the holes, they're plenty. So now small, we get to one, not be one day. People they say the change. It's not the change what would they say. So these are the loopholes they want to say they need to fill up, cover up, and then enable to create jobs and all that. You know, so I go give kudos to the government, you know, to find out this one come out, we can't see this one now, we discuss about them. Because otherwise, there are many loopholes. Would have discovered some other ones, and when they would have done this
exactly.
one with 23,000 ghost workers. One would discuss now. Maybe now one day when they say now 50,000 of ghost workers for some years again or any other thing. So those are the loopholes there. If we cover them, then Nigeria go to move forward small gradually. It's gradually. So would they take the right steps? So maybe I get to talk about that, you know, because now positive something.
Very true. Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And we can say our former president, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, been talk say that he go do everything when he do to ensure say we use technology pursue corruption come up for inside of Nigeria. And we don't see the work, just like this BVN. Don't expose the one person when they collect 20 people's salary. We get Oga Agu, they call us all the way from Enugu. Enugu, they show us plenty love this morning. Oga Agu, welcome to Asili Hall.
Good morning, Oga Agu.
Thank God once again for your effort to bring solutions to Nigerian issues.
Thank you.
Please, this issue of ghost workers we are not new in this society of Nigeria. We are not just new because everybody knows about ghost workers. In the local government system, in the state and the federal. Now we are talking about 23,000. It is more than that, I believe. There shall be a fresh investigations in all the ministries and parastatals down to local government level. And we need to evaluate and update these issues so that we will bring the corruption to zero, if it is possible, because it's like corruption has swallowed Nigeria. Corruption is too much. You talk about federal character, there is it happening. You talk about those you employ in federal services. When you issue forms for applicants, they just rubbish your phone because nobody knows you. Imagine. So it's something that should be carried out. We don't need to look down on it. So we thank God for that minister that is opening our eyes. That is just serving as a reminder not to open our eyes because we know this. And those people that are in higher positions are the cause of our problem in this country. Thank God for him.
Oga Agu, thank you very much.
You all.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Agu, for that contribution. Chukwudi, he says you talk something about say technology helping us, and then if we look this issue, you go see this thing just for the Minister of Finance to come out. If you say what she don't uncover at the moment now, ghost workers on the federal level, we never enter each state
exactly
to know who and the number of ghost workers we then get because obviously they play out there.
Very true.
You understand?
Maybe we collect
that same
Oga
height of them. Okay, Oga Ibe, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are they?
We dey fine, Oga Ibe.
I beg, I want to contribute about these ghost workers.
Hey.
Would they hear you?
You see, sometimes government go to do like say, then they fool us. You understand? Because as you there for that studio now, before you can become a ghost worker, now somebody inside that ministry, now you go put your name, put your passport. When time come, you go get a lot, you go get your own share. You understand? So this thing is very simple. Now them where they there, that then they do them. You cannot become a ghost worker. You go to work out for street. they say then they enroll ghost workers. You know they're possible. You understand? So now them there, they do it. So they know what thing then they do. So if today they get 23,000 ghost workers, maybe tomorrow now they go say they don't set panel. Come vote money inside that panel again. Money go come, they go. May they just froze anybody where they involved. May they just froze the accounts. Carry them go Kujo direct. No investigation.
Okay, you don't even conclude.
Just straight
you don't
up.
conclude straight.
You don't judge. You don't
give
do
the room
everything.
and parlor for inside Kuje straight. Oga Michael, they call us all the way from Calabar. The passionate Oga Michael of Nigeria. Oga Michael, welcome to Aside Hot.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Michael.
We happy as he be like say smile they inside your voice this morning. Nice one, nice one.
Right over there, yeah, Oga Michael.
I talk this morning, man. You worry you.
You worry, yeah.
Don't wait touch me pass. Now the one of the budget matter. First, the budget in fly go somewhere. He can't come back again. As he come back, now plenty things don't they come up for the budget. They will talk say we give you 20 naira for fuel. Minister will come talk say no be so. I don't write 20 naira. Who we want blame for this matter now? What's happening? Because is it that these guys didn't take their time to do their work or what? It's baffling. I read yesterday or so where the Minister for Information or something like that said even his budget. I'm not very certain about the report anyway. Said even his budget whether has KLEC or something. So who writes the budget? It's a question we need to ask ourselves. And I must commend you guys for a good work.
Thank you very much,
Oga Michael. Thank you very, very much. So Chukwudi, just as I talk, we that just going to carry out this investigation, enter further into other districts.
As we carry out the investigation, make we self carry work, enter inside break. When we go this break, come back for where we did. Now the final bus stop we dey see. Who could be for a man office say no escape the budget abracadabra, but I'll make sure that I bring the fire back. We dey come back. Welcome back to Aside Hot. From where we stand, so now the final bus stop on top of today's program. Now we dey see so, and all of the action today will happen this week. Now we dey discuss from the budget abracadabra, the increase when they put inside light money, and other stories will happen this week. We go collect this call from Oga Pius. They call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Pius, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Pius.
And I dey hail everybody.
We dey hail you, Oga Pius.
Now here I dey hail pass.
We greet you.
Right on.
Thank you so much. The whole talk I want to talk is say concerning these 25,000 ghost workers.
23,000
ghost workers.
23,000 ghost workers.
Right over there.
Okay, not be today this thing don't dey for Nigeria. All of us know. And this one they got to bring today, so what they got to bring this time around. They don't want to tell me even the so-called Minister of Finance herself. Does she want to tell me that she don't know anything about these things before that this thing is in existence?
But you can also bear in mind, say she just take up this responsibility as the minister. She was never a part of any. Okay, she be this thing commissioner for Ogun State then. But for her to take up this ministry and through the this thing biometric and verification number, come uncover all these things. You go now at least now good step. At least don't they take the step appropriately.
My brother, now I give you something. You go see say this thing will die there very soon. Now Nigeria we do. You go see say this thing will die there very soon. You go all this thing where they move on, where they hear 23,000. You go see say this thing will die there very soon.
Okay, Oga
we are all in
Pius.
Nigeria. Everybody is full of corruption. So nobody should criticize anybody.
Okay,
the best
Oga
thing
Pius.
they could do.
Oga Pius. The fact say everybody is full of corruption. No means say
Every one of them
corruption.
in government. Every one of them in government.
Okay, everyone in government, even though somehow we go talk say make we na fallacy somehow. But if everybody when the government is full of corruption and all of us they full of corruption, it no mean say corruption a good thing. It no mean say make we live with corruption because now some of the reason why we did the problem we dey today, insecurity, education, health and everything. What do you think say we go do to ensure say this matter it no die like that and we go take the necessary action to ensure say we clear this kind of thing come up for inside our society? Because if work no day and you dey pay 23,000 people wey no dey work at all, na bad thing. Give us advice. Oga Pius,
you did there?
Oga Pius, you don't run.
No. I be like say maybe call credit.
Oga Pius, I beg. For house where you dey, I beg. Just this question we will ask. Just get the answer. Begin to use word of mouth. Tell our brothers and sisters them. Make all of us continue to talk. Make this matter no die.
Because basically, what they find an way out. Because we no go just stick to the fact, say okay, or stick to the talk, say okay, say no go, say we will still forget about this issue. It is not about forgetting. It's about finding a solution to them.
Very
and
true.
I think that is why we raise them up in the first place. We got Stephen. Stephen, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Oga Stephen. Good morning, Oga Stephen. Stephen, you did there? Okay, we don't lose them. So Chukwudi.
We get Maureen all the way from Enugu.
Good morning, Maureen.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Maureen.
What can they talk about good, but the truth is, say all this kind Nigeria matter. Now we don't they talk, but nothing they happen.
Okay.
But these 23,000 goes to workers where they don't find. My own be say, as they don't catch them, or they never catch them, they don't they talk. Make them look for them, probe them. Like my own, make them probe them. Then all those money where they don't they collect, make them provide them. So that the government go see money where they go use to do other things. Like this security matter, where we just they talk about. Now, it will be my own. So that employment will be for our younger youth.
Thank you very much. Madam Maureen, the thing when you use cover this talk, now something when we say sweet me. Could be if you notice the way when we say some of our callers don't talk, the fear say, make this matter no go the way when we say other matter they go. But it go good make we point them out, say, as Nigerians, now if we decide, say, make this matter go like that, now anything go. If we get somebody for our family where we say unemployment they affect, whether our friend or our family member, and we know the kind of thing when unemployment don't cause for this country, now time for us to stand up the talk. As it hot, no go anywhere. As it hot now platform when we say go give everybody license to talk. So until you keep quiet, now we say this matter go. But if you continue to the talk, this matter go continue they go.
Yeah, we go the talk they go, and that talk don't go ever finish on top of this platform because our own job now to make sure say we unfold, we uncover ends where they play out in our society, so that at least we as Nigerians go collectively find solution to them.
So this talk where you talk about, make people look and say you be a good person. Our own that they talk they go. When I say when you talk budget, why you not agree talk? Because you know say the thing go bounce back to you.
The issue of budget we don't talk on.
Which issue of budget? Which issue of budget we don't talk? Why they dribble? That's all you come they shout Chibuike.
What is wrong with me calling Chibuike? I don't call him well. What do you call Chibuike with this talk now?
Why you gonna call Chibuike? When I say when you talk budget, you know agree talk budget.
Chibuike dey inside budget now. Chibuike dey inside budget. Why you concern Chibuike with budget?
Why you no concern?
I'm tired of you.
You are tired of.
I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you.
You dey come now.
I dey tired of you. What they worry you?
Now the second time when they come now this week on top of
I dey tell you.
As you dey come now, what do you want to do now?
I dey carry my chair. Me and you go sit down here together.
Why you go?
I dey go sit down.
Make we end show now.
End show wetin?
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.